Oh! About a month ago, I moved into this tiny room. I just about fit in it, and I've maximized the space to the fullest. In the comment section, write, where do you think in my bedroom is my skateboard? I'm gonna give you 360 of the room. Oh, he hasn't got a skateboard, he's joking. Oh, it's outside. Oh, he's put it in the bathroom. Have you left your comment yet? Where is the skateboard? It's in here somewhere. If you commented, it's behind the drawer, then you got it right. So to get the skateboard, got to open the top drawer, pull it out, and voila, there's my skateboard. I wonder if I could hide down here. Oh, I'm way too big to hide down here. In front of me, we have this geniusly planned out area. And behind me, we have this big, grey, empty wall. I'm gonna turn my room into a cinema. Home theatre, home cinema. In last week's video, I hitchhiked around Seoul on the back of people's motorbikes, and I used a helmet that I found outside the guest house over here. And the reason I'm turning my room into a home cinema is because I found some white paint over here. The only problem is all the bikes are in the way, so I need to hop over. Perfecto. Yeah, boy. All right. It's a bit dusty and dirty, but oh well. It's clean though. That's how you clean paintbrushes, isn't it, with your hand? Let's just check this is white first. Ooh. Doesn't look good. Alright, now I'm going to have a break and get something to eat. I found the perfect projector to buy from Coupang. It's only 109,000, which is about £75. It's got 4.5 stars, and it can arrive tomorrow on Friday. And the reason I've blurred the image out is you're gonna have to wait until the end of the video to see how good the quality is. I'm very excited, the reviews look really good. Now let's go to GS and get a chicken skewer. Oh yeah, baby. 안녕하세요. 이거 chicken 하나만 주세요. I think I'm designing the lowest budget home cinema ever made. At the end, I'll tell you the total cost to make it. And you thought I wasn't going to cover the floor. Of course I am. I'm not a savage. Instead of using tape, I'm just going to use my weight and stand on it. Right, here goes the first lick of paint. Way! Oh, you are being mesmerized by the painting. Click subscribe. Subscribe. Oh, wow, I've finished. That was easy. Welcome to the most ghetto unboxing video on the internet. I ordered this yesterday, it arrived this morning. It's the RNK72. Oh, it's got a controller. It's a nice little controller, that. This projector's tiny. Look how small it is. That's perfect. Look at that. Hang on a second. 제품을 사용하기 전에 modern, maybe that means modern, 설명서를 반드시 읽어 주십시오. I've got no idea what that means. And there we have it. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing video. Now let's plug it in. It's now the moment of truth. I need beer. Beer. This is the great thing of having a mini fridge in my room. I can keep my beers chilled, so I've got a nice chilled beer. Alright. Oh! Yes! Yes! Yeah! I've just turned on Netflix and season 6 of Vikings is on, so I'm gonna watch that all night. But it's like, piss off. Season 6 is up and there's 10 episodes. 10 hours. I've lost my double-ended jack lead. How? How have I lost that? I have an amazing DJ video coming up to be uploaded. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you click that red button and got the bell turned on. I've got new videos every Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays at 7 PM, showing you how awesome it is to live in Korea. And my favourite video of this month has to be my hitchhiking on the back of people's motorbikes. So if you haven't already seen that one, there'll be a link to it below. It's finally finished. Best film ever! So the total cost of my home cinema was £75. If you've watched this video up until this point and you've enjoyed it, click the like button and in the comment section let me know what's your favourite film ever. Yosh.
조심해 난 해적다 나는 굳이 like 북한산 나와 머리 없어 빛나리 우는 쌍둥이 얘는 조던이지
김치 감자탕에서 있다